You're welcome back. On today's section, we will discuss how our crypto AI agent bot works, how good be, and what is API on crypto exchanges, and how you can grade your API, and how to set up your bot within a few minutes and start making money with those with crypto AI agent. So first, we're going to start from how our robot works. We have to gain access to it. Please bear well. In order to gain access to the bot, you have to use a link. It's a must to use a link. So kindly check the video description. You're going to see a link there. Just kindly click on the link. Immediately you click on the link, this word is going to ask you send your name. Then what you do is to send your name, your first name and your second name, or your last name, like my example Ekan, and then it's going to ask you your email. So let me use my maybe private email, for example, ekanfx@gmail.com, for example, and then it's going to ask you where are you from. I'll put Nigeria. Okay, I'm a Nigerian. Okay, all right, so everything is okay. This is how to sign up with the bot successfully. Now you are all set to start trading with Algo. Click on settings to link your exchange. Now here is where a lot of people don't know how to do. Currently we are trading with progressive HFT, right? And here is the default setting, so we'll come back to this. So the question now is, how do you link your exchange here? This way a lot of people get confused. That's where exchange API comes in. I know for people that are totally new to this, they're going to ask, what is exchange API? I won't be the one to reply you or tell you this. We're going to use our ChatGPT to respond to this. So let's kindly go to our ChatGPT to know what is API on any crypto exchange. Let's go to our ChatGPT. Coming here to my ChatGPT, let's ask what is API on crypto exchanges, right? Boom. So let's see what our ChatGPT is going to tell us. For people that are new to this, you don't know what this is, pay attention. All right, let's see the response. An API application, application programming interface. That is the full meaning of API, application programming interface. On crypto exchanges, is a tool that allows software to interact with exchanges system without needed to manually use the app or website. In simple terms, it's like giving your trading board or app a remote access to your exchange account to check balance, make trades, and pull price data automatically. Now that we understand what API is, if you don't understand what I'm reading, you can go check it out by yourself. It's free to gain access to your ChatGPT. So this is what's going to give your bot, the Telegram bot here, access to open and close position on your account. Now that you know what exchange API is, the next question that's going to come to your mind is, if you haven't done this before, is how do I get my exchange API? Don't worry, that's why I'm here to teach you today. It's very simple. The only way you will do this is go to your Chrome or any browser you are using. Please kindly be aware, some exchanges don't allow you to do this on their mobile app, so don't even bother going to their mobile app to look for API. You will not see it. Example like Bybit that we are using here is strictly on their web version. For some country that crypto is restricted, VPN is needed. So let's kindly go to our Chrome here and look for Bybit. Okay, if we check this, let's see if it's going to open. I know crypto is restricted in my country today. You see, we cannot open our Bybit on web. So what we're going to do is to turn on your VPN. I know fully well that a lot of people that watch this video might not know what VPN is, right? So please kindly go to our ChatGPT and ask what is VPN. It's going to explain it to you. And I have my VPN here. Subscribe is very cheaper. So I have to change my location to South Africa. Crypto is allowed in South Africa, and yeah, crypto is allowed. Boom. So my VPS is connected. So now let's go back to our Bybit on web and refresh. You that from a country crypto is not restricted, you can do this perfectly without VPN. All right, then what I'm going to do is to sign in. I have an account already. Let me sign in one of my fake accounts. One of my fake accounts I always use on back test. This is not my main account. Since we are using our mobile phone, they don't allow us to access our Bybit. So what do? You kindly click on this option here. Just come over to this three dot here, you come over to this three dot and switch to, you're gonna see this option if you're using your mobile phone, desktop version, right? You notice as you switch to desktop version now, everything is now reload. So let's log in again. We are on desktop version. So if you are doing this with laptop, you don't even need to do this. Just come over here to three dot and you're gonna see desktop side. You click on it and yeah, so let's click on login. Okay, I think they give us something here to do. To prove we are not a robot. Okay, click on login. All right, they send notification to our Google Authenticator. Here we go. This is my backtest account. I have $70 here I'm using for backtesting purpose. And let's zoom it out. You're going to come over to this your profile icon. You're going to see your profile icon here. Click on the profile icon, and after you click on the profile icon, this would load. Yeah, this is where it's going to take you to, right? And let it allow you to load. All right, good and fine. So let's zoom it out some more. Okay, after I click on the profile icon, you see we have API here. Take note of this. We have API. You click on it, right? It's gonna ask you great API key. You click on understood. All right, this is how it's gonna be like. All right, okay. As you can see, I have so many API key here already, and so you that have not created before, just click on this option, create new key. Right, it's gonna ask you. So if you are using it with the crypto trading bot like our own, you will likely choose system generated API key. Good. All right, system generated API key. All right, then you come over to this option. You're gonna see this option here. We have the first option here. We have API transaction connect to third-party application. So we strongly recommend using API transaction, right? Then you click on, just write any name. For example, our own crypto. Let's say Ekan. Let's say Ekan crypto board, for example. All right, you can just write any name you like, or if you choose to write Algo trading bot. And the next option is API key permissions. If you're trading with our bot, please, you have to allow this permission. Number one is not read only. You got to switch from read only to read and write, which is the first option. Please don't take this second one here. It's a mistake, right? It should be on the second one here. No API restriction. Then the next option to tick is come over to this option here, the second option below, trade, and trade type rate. You click on orders. This all what you need. You notice if you click on order, it automatically tick unified trading, right? Positions, right? You tick on positions. You tick on USDC derivative trading. You click on trade, right? And flexible savings, you don't do anything here, and we don't trade spot market at the moment. It's only feature trading, the board is trading. And so these are all the stuff you have to tick. So this is how simple it is. And when you are done with that, you are not doing anything here. For example, we have earnings, we are not doing that. P2P, that's not what we are doing. This option here, that's not what we are doing. This option here can give access to people to withdraw money from your account, wallet transfer. You don't do all these things. So as long as you're not taking all these things, we do not have access to your money, right? And when you are done with that, you click on submit. And then it's going to prompt you to it's going to ask you to send a code to your phone number. Some might be your email. After you paste the code, they now give us access to your API key. So you kindly copy this. You can copy this and save somewhere. First, you can screenshot it, and you can screenshot it. Then let's assume you paste this somewhere. You can. Let me save my own here. For example, let me save this here. This is the API key, and we also copy the secret key. Good and fine. You also click on the secret key. can also save your own this way. Please make sure you save it on a secure place, because if someone have access to this, they can open trade on your account, possible blow your account, but I know they cannot withdraw from your account. So this is how simple it is to create your API successfully, which would give you access to trade with any crypto trading bot, including our crypto AI agent Algo. Then when you are done, you click on OK. So we are done with that. Then the next option is going back to the bot to activate it. Remember, we already signed up, right? We already signed up. So the next thing gonna be link your exchange. The next thing gonna be you come over to the bot here, you click on, you choose the particular bot we are using. This is the particular one, progressive HFT. This is the one that's making us money every trading day. And then you click on this option here, exchange, right? It's gonna ask you to send your exchange API. You just come over to this option, you copy the key, right? So let's go back to the point. Notice send your API key. You click on, you send it to the bot, and then it asks you to send the secret key, right? You send it to the bot, right? You send it to the bot, boom. You send it to the bot, and you're gonna ask you send your API passphrase. This is a key. Some agents require you put in a key, but Bybit doesn't require. Like Binance also require putting an API key. You just type anything, or for example Bybit that doesn't require, you just type anything and it's gonna click on, you're gonna show connected. Immediately it connects, it show Bybit, right? It show Bybit, and it means it's connected successfully. Now that you know how to connect your exchange API successfully, let's proceed on how to set up the bot perfectly, and also all the functions you must understand. Please be aware, this particular bot here, progressive HFT, is an AI agent bot as well. You see, as we link the exchange here, show Bybit automatically. It show Bybit. So any exchange that you link is going to show the name of the exchange at this point. The first option here is power, which is on and off. The second option here, symbols, is it shows that you are trading on USDT. If you're from a country that USDT doesn't allow, you can use USDC, right? Then this option here is your take profit percent. Any percent, let's assume you are putting 1% here. It means anytime you make profit up to 1% of your account, it would close out the position, every position, everything on your account. Then this option here is your size USDT. This is your trading volume. Just like on Forex, it's called lot size. On crypto, it's called volume or size, right? USDT, right? So example is on $1. It means the robber will be using $1 to open position on your account. This option here is your trade alert. It means any position it opens, right, it's going to send you a notification here on the bot. Example, if you do see my position that I post, right, let's assume this position here, this is where the trader, this is what the trade alert means. You see, as you close this position on $850, it sends a notification. That's what it means. If you turn on that option, anytime you close position, it will send you a notification. This other option here, exit total PNL, I don't recommend doing anything here. If you tap on the trade alert, all right, let's see what it shows. You don't have a license to use this feature. Click on start to purchase your license. So you have to buy a license. We'll come to this. I'll show you how to do this step by step. All right, and this option here, trade alert, anytime you close position, it's going to send you notification. Then this is where you put your percent. Let's assume you have $1,000 on your account. You want anytime you float on a profit of up to 1%, close out the position. Then if you want it to be closing on maybe 5% at a time on each section, or 10%, let's assume you want to put 10%, you just tap on it like this, and you're going to send 10 to the bot. Boom. You notice as you send it, it automatically changed to 10. What this means is that anytime a profit is running on your account, right, anytime profits run on your account and you are up to 10% profit, it will automatically close that position on profit. Then this other option here, size USDT, is your trading volume. Let's assume you have up to $1,000 on your account. On a $100 account, we recommend using 5.5 trading volume. So you that have up to $1,000, how much volume can you use? If you don't know how to calculate this, just kindly rush to your ChatGPT. You will have to learn to know how to use ChatGPT to do everything. Just kindly go to a ChatGPT. I risk 5.5 $5 on a $100 account, right? To be on the same risk level, what volume should I use on a 1K account? I risk 5.5 on a $100 account. To be on the same risk level, what volume should I use? Right? Should I use on a $100 account? Let's see what's it going to tell us. Okay, if you are risking 5.5 on a $100 account, that means your risk per trade is 5.5 of your account balance. To keep the same risk level, 5.5% on a $1,000 account, risk equal to, that means you're going to be using $55 per trade if you're using a $1,000 account. So how do you do if you're using a 10K account? How about 10K, right? About 10K, and it's going to do the calculation for you perfectly. So if you're using 10K, it means you're going to be risking 550 per trade. So you can use ChatGPT to calculate your risk perfectly. Then you come over, let's assume our account is $1,000. You just come over to this point and click, you come over to your size USDT and change it to, let's assume for people that are trading on 10K, put $550. Immediately you're going to change your trading volume to $555. Then if you're using $500, if you're using $200, you just ask your ChatGPT how to do everything perfectly. So this is how simple it is to set up your Algo progressive HFT AI agent bot successfully. Then the next question is, how do you buy your license successfully without giving out funds to scammers? Good and coming. Please pay attention to this. If you click on this option, Trade Alert, you notice it tell you cannot turn on this option because you have to buy a license. It's an AI bot. We spend thousands of dollars developing the bot, and we spend thousands of dollars hosting the bot here on Telegram. So it's a little bit on the high side, right? So if you don't have money, you can learn our manual trading strategy, or you can still reach out to us on WhatsApp. Pay attention to this. If you click on this Trade Alert, you notice it's not going to allow you to turn on this option. It will actually, you don't have a license to use this feature. Click on start to purchase your license. Good. When you click on it, right, it's going to give you this option, buy license. And right, if you click on it, you notice there's no price here on the pod. So where do you get the price? The first option is to reach out to me on WhatsApp. The second option is just kindly go to our website. Just come over to our website and type in Ekan, ekanthetrader.com. It's already coming out here, ekanthetrader.com. All right, it's open. The future of crypto trading is here. That's the welcome message, and AI agents have completely transformed the way we trade using ChatGPT, machine learning, and real-time market data to execute trade at lightning speed with near 100% accuracy. You can know why you're making money every day in the crypto market. Then you just click on this option, get started. Here is everything on our website. If you want to view our student reviews, you just click on this option here. It's going to show you all our student reviews. Just scroll, it's going to show you all the reviews, and yeah, it's going to show you. We'll come back to this, but to get started, just kindly click on this option, get started, right? And it's going to prompt you to put your name, right, to sign up, right? And what you're going to do, just sign up, just put your name. Let's example on my own, Ekan Emmanuel, right? Ekan Emmanuel, and I put you type your email. On my own here, I'll just paste my email. It's very simple. Put your password, for example. I just type Ekan. Okay, yeah, you can show here. Just type Ekan, for example. This monthly for the video 234. You repeat the same password again. Very simple to do. Just very simple, very simple, very simple. All right, you click on I agree. to our terms and condition, then you click on submit. Automatically, after you sign up, submit your email address and everything, is going to take you to this page, subscription plan. Kindly go to the website to sign up, ekanthetrader.com. After you sign up, you will gain access to all the available plans. You choose the one that is comfortable by you, then you come back to the Telegram bot, click on menu icon here, this menu, click on it and then click on start. Right, it's going to give you this option. It's going to mention your name and it will tell you buy license, my Algo ID. Click on buy license and then these are all the available payment options. So you kindly choose the one that's comfortable by you. Let's say for example you want to use USDT. You click on it and then you choose the available network. These are all the available network, and let's assume TRC20 is very popular. Choose TRC20 and it's going to tell you the amount. So kindly put the amount. Let's use this for example 1,000. Right, you put the amount. Kindly go to the website, sign up. You're going to see all the available plans. Choose the one that's comfortable by you. Then you're going to type the amount, the one that you choose on the website. Please, it must be in line with what you choose on the website, the plan that you are comfortable with. After you choose and you type the amount, let's say we are using 100 for example, it's going to generate. You notice there is a transaction fee applied. Kindly copy the address here or you scan, take it to anywhere you want to make the payment. After your payment is confirmed, the bot is going to send you a notification here on your dashboard, and after everything is done, you can reach out to us immediately your payment is confirmed. Just send us a screenshot that you just make the payment, but moreover you don't even need to come to us. But in case you want us to assist you one-on-one to set it up to make sure there's no mistake, no problem, we are always available to attend to you. If you come over to this point settings, you come over to the settings here, this where all the function is. We already explained all the function. This is where to put your volume, your trade alert, and so let's assume you want to be trading BTC. The best part of this is that you can use the bot to trade any of your favorite cryptocurrency. So if there's any coin you always want to trade, you always want to make money, like let's assume BTC is booming, you want the bot to be trading BTC for you. All you need to do is just come over to and type BTC, BTC USDT. All right, send it to the bot. It's gonna respond. Which particular bot do you want to choose? You choose progressive HFT. So after you send it to the bot, it's going to send you a notification, instant added successfully. And after that is done, the bot will get to work. Within a few minutes, it will scan all the market, the crypto market, and look for the available opportunity, either to buy or sell. Immediately it found a good opportunity, it opened position immediately, and any position it opens, it's going to send you a notification here on the bot, and at the same time the same position will see reflects on any of your exchange, and anytime it closes, it would also send you a notification, and everything is still accessible on your exchange 100%. This is how simple to set up your bot perfectly and start making money with us every day. This is one of the best way to make money every day in the crypto market without risking your account. And the best part of this is, even though the market goes up, you're sure of making money. Even though the market is dumping, you're sure of making money. So kindly set up your bot and send me your result. I will be more than happy seeing you benefiting from this. Please don't forget, I remember your friend Ekan the trader.